Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mechanical Guruji. Today let's make something interesting. Let's make a rocket engine model, also known as Raptor's engine. You can see in screen, this is a 3D model of a rocket engine. Now let's do the slicing operation. You can now see the simulation. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now let's start the actual printing. Today I will use PLA material to print this model. If you are new to my channel, then please support me by subscribing my channel. Our printing work is over. It took around 11 hours to print this model. Now let's do the post-processing. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon.